The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what you watch?
Dancehall. Father God, all the water drum my man give woman never take back to pandemic. In a big Wednesday, and them drama you going to suffer in the father. No man, this bad. One bumper company man here in the car named Tekki back.
Daniel, one big cocoa over here, you Mr. Tekki back. You can't take the water jump and oh God man, what are we at man?
Oh man for wash the baby clothes them.
And that me I say, no Daniel never love you man. No you never love that woman Daniel. You are wicked, me not tell no lie. And the water jump.
Oh God.
That not nothing to do with it. When you ban January, February, March, April, May, June, and that not nothing to do with it. That not nothing to do with it. The month for your ban not nothing to do with it, Daniel. Yeah,
are you coming and fighting man for you man?
I fight me nice clean friend right there so for you man. Where my new man the long before you? But you don't feel an argument to nobody because a woman carry you come here and you go there with woman. I left the woman. Me not cook. No, but you are war woman for man. I know you out but you never want woman. You can't say that.
You big woman, you know better when you are doing.
I don't know you better. My dear, believe in my own house. Nobody can put me out one day sponsor and one day sober. Believe in my own house. My father makes sure provide for me. No, but you're coming a big moving truck, you should be moving furniture.
Viewers and subscribers, if you look at the video and if you look carefully, you will see a police vehicle in the video, right? Now, this video is out on social media where it is said that a male took back some things that he gave a female because the relationship between him and the female had gone bad. Now I'm only telling you according to what had been said about this video on social media, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And you know, I hear someone said something about bump come over eye and all them things. You know, that thing is superstitious to me, you know. Yes, I mean, I say, yeah, you know, there's a saying where them say that if you give and take back things, then a bump is going to come over your eye and all those things. You know, I'm not, that thing is kind of superstitious to me. Yes, I mean, I say, yeah, but anyways, you know, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media. It's being talked about on social media. And I bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think about this video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now, I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video is going to show 3 men trying to put a large tire in the back of a truck. And for some reason, this video is out on social media getting somewhat of a buzz out there, you know. Now, this video is out on social media where, you know, some comments have been made about this video on social media, you know. Some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons find what had happened in this video to be funny, while others had other things to say about some of the things that had happened in this video. And I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if what had happened in this video, you can tell me if it is funny or if it is not funny. You know, you can tell me what you think overall about the video. In my point of view about this video, you know, some of the things that happened in the video is a little amusing, but at the same time, I found some of the things that had happened in this video to be dangerous. You see me? I'm looking at the point where these persons tried to put the tire in the back of the truck a certain way, which I think it is the wrong way, but that's just my point of view, viewers and subscribers. You know, I'm going to present the video to you right about now so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. All right? Now, some of the things that happened in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. All right? And until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. Now, here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Come.
can't put it up in water. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Aja kila hati bila. Tu boleh stop. Watch out, Andy. Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Atas. Watch out to me, Mom. Watch out. Unstop. Jangan boleh gitu ya, orang kali tiga.
Bapak, ini ada beli bapak.
Jangan dua set. Dia position yang fine ni mak dan saya pilih anjing. Oh, baik. Watch out semua. Ya. Dalam tu long time. Demikian lah pun aku masak ni. Jalan. Paling mana kelihatan ni, semua paling kelas. This now one over no this ala.
Then I may ask if the truck here over. I may ask you know. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Three must be here. Ada semua orang yang lain.
The red one.
Hey Angie, I tell it, when man say all the time, I say, oh, you get the tire in the truck. Him say, man, him soldier them. Soldier them fear, none of them not go none of them shot. None of them not shot, none of them gun. So one customer them, you know. Good.
What?
I'm going to put this one Mr. Wang status. Yeah, watch out no, watch out no. Yeah, this is the main video them, you know.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.